Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites. You must have an Azure subscription, Yuki license, and appropriate RBAC rights. First, install Azure CLI and run as login to authenticate immediately. Next, register the Latch provider so cloud resources appear. This unlocks the only way flow. Create a service principal for automation, app registration, generate a client secret, and grant the service principal contributor on the target resource group. Once done, record client ID, tenant ID, and secret securely. You will use them in the next step. Now you configure Yuki inside Azure Latch. Open the portal or use Azure CLI to create the Latch instance with the Yuki connector. Supply the service principal credentials you saved: client ID, secret, and tenant ID. Map Yuki application roles to Azure RBAC roles so permissions align. This is why you set contributor earlier. Configure networking, VNet integration, subnet, and NSG rules to allow Yuki endpoints. Finally, push secrets into Key Vault, and, if possible, enable a managed identity to reduce secret exposure. Finish by conducting an end-to-end test. Log in through Yuki, perform a representative operation, and verify success in Latch logs and audit trails. Once you confirm, enable alerts, metrics, and configure secret rotation in Key Vault to maintain long-term security. If something fails, start troubleshooting. Check the service principal's role assignments, Key Vault access policies, and any network ACL or NSG blocking traffic. Make sure timestamps match across systems. If issues persist, reissue the client secret and reapply permissions. That often resolves stale auth problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.